Welcome to Design Activity 3, Grading Student Work. My name's Ashley Stoner, and I'm a high school health and PE teacher.
Hi, I'm Brielle Taylor, and I am a middle school teacher, English.
Hi, I'm Ann Mazzordi, and I am a middle school Spanish teacher.
Hi, I'm Kim Nicole Keene. I work for professional and trade associations developing education for members.
All right, our task this week was to create 2 new interfaces with the following goals. We needed to assist the teacher in scoring a read passage as quickly and accurately as possible, while also providing informative and easy-to-use data to help the teacher, student, or parent monitor the student's reading progress over time. We were asked to look at a program called KidSpeak. It is an iPad app that records students reading 1-minute text messages aloud. The recording is stored online, and the teacher then scores the reading by matching each word spoken by the student with the words in the passage.
So what we did was we went back to Design Activity 2 and thought of the idea of Simon Sinek and the golden circle, the why, how, what. So with our why, with our what, our believe, we said in order to help teachers, students, and our parents and students themselves reach their fullest potential, we believe that fast, accurate, cumulative, and easy-to-use feedback must be available to all parties involved in the educational process. And how we would do this is by providing efficient and precise information on student progress over time to determine patterns of strengths and weaknesses for teachers, parents, and the students. So we were given the task of, coming up with a set of interfaces. We proposed interfaces which would allow teachers to quickly and easily score the assessments and then analyze, sort, and display the data for teacher, parent, and student use. And yep, great. So we kind of brainstormed a little bit and thought about possible solutions. Voice recognition was a thought. We thought, oh, well, if they could read through it and it could recognize what's wrong, that would be cool because it would be super, super fast. But we kind of threw that one out because of accuracy issues. We've all seen the voice recordings on our voicemail, and we know that when those transcripts come back, they're not exactly the most accurate thing in the world. So that's not going to be really good information for us to use for our students. We also thought about throwing out speeds, making it a little faster, a little slower, to make it faster or slower for our listening.
This is one of our solutions. Our solution, our suggestion is very similar to the current application. We actually, we thought of some answers, and then we dug a little bit deeper and found the scoring solution that was actually online. The teacher would click on words that were incorrect while listening to the recorded reading. Application would calculate the number of correct words compared to the number of words that were completed, with the feature of speed and remembered data per profile student. So this is the teacher interface, what it looks like. There is a student profile image with the class information. A teacher listens to the student's recording, can tap to make the incorrect, and choose options such as play, pause, or change the desired speed of the student. So all the speeds are down here in the recording. You can see how many left you have to grade. So this is 1 out of 25 that you need to grade. And then press an X on something they get wrong, and also press an X when where they stop.
So the next part of the solution was just reporting that data back, making sure it's informative and really easy to use for the parents, teacher, and the student. So our app would collect all that information, store it, and report it back. This is an example of our reporting interface. We thought a dashboard would be the easiest way to view this information. And our app would identify patterns such as, multisyllabic words that students were getting wrong, for example, and group them, identify patterns. Also, we came up with the green, yellow, red, so it would make it really easy for students, parents, teachers to see what types of words or what words students were doing really well and consistently or struggling with. And then those words could be downloaded. So really the most important part of this was to look for patterns and to also collect data over time so you could see a student's progress.
And that's our Design Activity 3.